Hello. Have you ever experienced a roundabout or a centrifuge, those things at the playgrounds where people are able to spin other people really, really fast? Have you ever been inside and experienced a feeling that you want to fly out? Well, you don't have that feeling that you want to fly out. It's all fictitious, it's all in the head. And uniform circular motion explains that, which is one of the most misunderstood concepts in physics. So we've got four related qualities. We got position, time, velocity, and acceleration. So if you come over here, I have a simple drawing of a circle. We have a blue dotted line which represents the path of motion. So what is velocity doing? Velocity is actually perpendicular to the radius of the circle, or tangential. So if you come over here, velocity as it moves along the circle, the path of motion is tangent to the path of motion, while acceleration is parallel, so it goes inwards, and then r is radius. So we have an example of a roundabout. So we got a roundabout with a radius of 3 meters. It takes 2 seconds to complete one revolution. So we're gonna go through a whole process and figure out the acceleration that the centrifuge is experiencing. So we got circumference, which is the distance around the circle. So we got 2 pi r. R is 3 meters, 2 pi times 3 equals 18.85 meters in one revolution. Velocity equals that circumference divided by time times 2 seconds, so 18.85 divided by 2 gives us a velocity of 9.42 meters per second. Acceleration is represented by velocity squared divided by radius. Velocity is 9.42 meters per second squared divided by 3 meters, which is r, gives us a radius of acceleration of 29.61 meters per second squared. Fun fact, NASA in 1960 did a human centrifuge test. They found out that a human could handle up to 98 meters per second for 10 minutes. That's 10 times the acceleration by gravity, which is 9.81 meters per second squared. So typical roundabout, 29.61 meters per squared. NASA test, 98 meters per second squared. That's a big difference. So everything is fictitious. While acceleration isn't pointed outwards, acceleration is pointed inwards. So that feeling that you get of wanting to fly out of the centrifuge is all fictitious.